reviewing this beautiful bob for you. She's 14 inches and gorgeous, but she's a bit pricey. Not too pricey, but pricey enough that, you know, if your pockets can afford it or not. If you're interested in seeing a review on this hair, she's super beautiful and effortless. I do have it linked down below, but if you're on a budget, honey, I got your back. I got another bob here for you, but this one here is a fraction of the price. I have her linked down below, and just get a load of that picture there. She's a nice like neck length bob. She comes from Sensationnel and she's in the style Kelsey. Picked her up on the website Sam's Beauty. You guys know they always come through a clutch for your girl, so I had to go ahead and show love and review another one for you guys. Again, this is Kelsey and I chose her in the color 1. Just wanted to give you guys a nice little weekend style. But you just remove all of this. All this here, you see they have some nice little clips here. All this is just going to keep your wig together, honey. So be grateful. So Kelsey is a bob. I would say she's between 10 and 12 inches. I'll kind of give you the tea once I put her on. But first you guys can see she's a color 1. Now I do synthetic wig reviews often. Lately I haven't been doing them as often as I used to. I just haven't had time. But I still love my synthetic wigs. This one right here is like a go-to. If you're a bob kind of girl, this is one that is simple enough that she's gonna last for you. She's not too long. When you do a synthetic wig, if you have like a short one that is simple, you know, nice little decent party that you're gonna be able to customize real quick. She's a lace front, so you can add a little baby hair if you want to. Just super simple and to the point. This is a holy grail staple to have in your collection, just because if everything else is not working, a simple bob is going to do the trick. Now again, I did get her in a number 1, which kind of gives you more of a blunt vibe. If you want something a little bit more natural, go with a 1B or even a 2, and that's going to give you a more of a natural color. And I'm going to switch from her to her. Now I do have on a brown wig cap that is very similar to my complexion. This is going to help in all cases. Also, you will note that the, oh, I'm all up on the camera, it's rocking. But you will note that the actual lace is a nice medium brown color. So that's going to help to make it all blend in super nice. The back, excuse my kitchen, but it fits super snug in the sense that it's not loose and hanging off. Now, of course, when I say that it fits snug, that doesn't mean it's not coming off. That means the cap all the way around hugs my hairline. That doesn't mean it's clenching it the way it would if I added an elastic band or gelled it down, if that makes any sense. So I know a lot of you will get confused sometimes, because I'll be like, it fits super snug, and then in the same clip I'll be like, I need an elastic band. The way the wig actually fits, you don't want it bulky, you don't want it not connecting. Ooh, that's so pretty. Now, I don't remember the last time I had a bob this short. I would say she's about 8 to 10 inches. Maybe about 10. Correct me if I'm wrong, beauties. You guys sometimes know better than I do. The only thing I will say is, again, with any wig that you wear, if you're not gluing her down, I would highly recommend adding an elastic band. That's just going to help you get from point A to point B back home at point Z without your wig falling off. You know what I mean? Now you guys can definitely see my line of demarcation where my foundation starts. Y'all trying to show me out real quick. Now again, she definitely needs an elastic band, but you can also take about a nice thin or thick layer of hair and just kind of pull it, tweeze it out. Ouch, I'm actually getting burns. So I'm pulling so hard I actually stretched my lace out. I didn't tear it, but it stretched. So I'm going to stop that, but this is how much I got out. This is where I pulled, and this is where I didn't. So it makes a difference if you're able to do a lot. But again, I started to stretch the lace out. It's harder to get the hair out, so try to do individual strands. Got to Be glue gel coming through in the clutch. Let that get tacky. Take an edge brush. Now I have some little stray strings coming out. I'm not sure if that's from me tweezing or pulling the hair, or if that is something different, but I think it's just from me tweezing the hair. Thing I've noticed is that it keeps sliding. So priority number one when you receive your wig, if you purchase this one, is to go ahead and make sure that you go ahead and make sure that you go ahead and make sure that you go ahead and immediately add your elastic band. This is going to keep that sliding from preventing, or you can just add like a thick layer of like Ghost Bond or Got to Be glue right here, just so it won't slip back. But can you guys see how much body this one has? Let me show you what it looks like from the back. But I love the cut of this one. I love how blunt it is. I kind of pulled, like this is like perfectly bumped, but I kind of like that edgy look when you kind of pull the front out just a little bit, so that it kind of like unbumps just a little bit. It kind of gives it an edgy, uneven, choppy personality, flary situation, and I'm digging it. As far as the parting goes, I felt like the parting definitely could be tweezed, but the key is, or the secret is, if you just add your powder, it gives the illusion with these synthetic wigs that it is thicker than it really is, but it definitely will look a little bit more natural if you tweeze yours out. But with the lace on synthetic wigs, I do find that it is a little bit more tough. So when you're tweezing and plucking, or if you're doing the pull method, you're gonna find that it is easier to get a hole in your lace. So keep that in mind when you are playing with these wigs, ladies. This cut is literally the perfect bob. Like, this is the one that definitely is a must-have in your collection. I'm not gonna hold you guys see for yourself that this one took minimal styling. Definitely very beginner friendly for those of you who don't know how to pull, you know, rabbits out of hats and do magic tricks with your wigs. This one does not require that at all. So make sure you check her out. I have her linked in the description bar. Let me know if you guys think that I slayed her and pulled her off, as well as the model. But let me know what you guys think. She has so much movement and so much body, so don't be afraid that she's going to be stiff and bulky. This one is amazing. I definitely would recommend her in the one. The blunt black is going to be very blunt, but the one is kind of going to soften it up and make it just a little bit more feminine and natural looking, if that makes any sense. But let me know what you guys think. I have her linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We're still on the road to 100K on this channel, so make sure that you go ahead and tell your friends about me, share this video, smash that post notification button. It's the little button that looks like a bell down below. That's going to help me out so much. It's going to help you out, because every time I upload, you'll be notified. So if you are taking a break from YouTube, that's going to definitely bring you back. Bring you back. But yeah, giveaway coming up this month on the channel. Wig sale going on this channel this month. I might even do 2 giveaways. So let me know what you guys think of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.